Okay, so this is thief.co, and this is a website that gives you really great deals on Aliexpress products. So whether are you looking to buy for yourself or to sell, this is a great tool for you. And I want to show three different tools that this website provides. So this is the first tool, and this is image search. So you can search any product that you want basically, and it will gives you all the Aliexpress um, product that out there. So I'm just going to take this product and search it, and now you can see all the bags that Aliexpress found that are whether exactly like this product or similar to this product. So again, it depends if you're looking for your own product or not. This is another great way to find suppliers. So I want this watch and I want to see which suppliers sell it. So I just paste the URL of this product and it will show me all the suppliers, and you can see how many orders they have for this product, and again it will show me a very similar product also. Another great tool here is the image tool, that is an image editor tools, and what it actually do is take your picture and split it in two. So if you have a picture that have more than one thing on it, you can try it. Now I tried with this picture, but as you can see, it's not working. So I found a different product, this one, and I'm just saving it, and I'm trying to see if it will just split these two different pictures. And as you can see now, it's pretty quick. And here you go, I have two different pictures from this one, and I can just use it. As you can see, you can download it. So I want to say thank you so much for listening and watching, and I hope this gives you great value. Please consider subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you soon.